Alright, now that we've done our walk around, we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy started. So again, we've connected our mesh walls, we're wearing our seat belts, we've done our walk around, we checked fluid levels, checked the PSI on the tires and the general condition of the UTV. Now to start the UTV, you need to make sure that the shift gear is all the way down in park, and you're going to want to put your foot down on the brake and then turn the ignition here. Now what you notice when you turn to the first switch, you're going to activate accessory. And so that'll give you your digital screen up here that's going to show you what gear you're in. We're currently in park. It'll show you the odometer as well as the gasoline fuel level. Right now we've got a full tank. Now to fully start the UTV, just keep your foot on that brake and go ahead and turn the ignition one more time until it starts. Now once you've got the UTV started, anytime you change gears, you're going to want to be at a full stop and you're going to want to depress the brake prior to activating the shift lever. So the first position is going to be that park, which is all the way down. Second is going to be reverse. Third will be neutral. And then drive gears are going to be low and high. Now anytime you have a load or you're working on uneven terrain, you're going to want to be in that low position. Keep in mind that that does have a maximum speed limit that's rather low, but that's best for the vehicle when you have a heavy load. When operating on asphalt pavement without a load, it's more appropriate to use that high gear. Another thing to talk about is our four-wheel drive versus two-wheel drive. So we have three positions you can see here that you can use. The very bottom position, which we're in right now, is going to be that slip differential, that one tire, similar to what you probably have in your POV. The middle position on this toggle switch is going to be two-wheel drive, and then the top position is going to be that four-wheel drive. And again, whenever you're switching between these, you need to be in neutral at a full stop. A couple of guidelines for operating the UTV. When going up and down hill, just keep in mind the maximum slope that we want to be going up and down is 15 degrees. Going across a slope or side sloping is something we want to avoid if at all possible. When traveling uphill, go straight uphill, maintain a constant speed. When traveling downhill, you want to do the same. Maintain a constant speed, point the vehicle directly downhill. If you do happen to lose control of the vehicle while going downhill, straighten your steering out so the vehicle is pointed downhill and apply braking as needed. Finally, whenever you have a load in the back, especially a patient and a care provider who would be sitting in the seat that I'm in, use caution when initiating turns and traveling up and downhill. Anytime you're operating in uneven terrain, you need to be in that all-wheel drive differential position that you can actuate in the cab.